this is Grace and welcome to my channel and welcome to a card video. It's been a hot minute, maybe 2 hot minutes since I've done a card video, and I am not going to promise this is going to be put up on YouTube before Mother's Day, but that's kind of where I was going with this theme. I was kind of organizing some stuff, and really the inspiration for this particular kit came from this stencil. I've had this for at least 2 years. I really love it. It's big, but we'll see if I can use it. If you are new to my channel or you're new to this series, basically I shop my stash and put together a card kit, and my goal is to make 10 handmade cards with it. And in this video, I'm going to show you the items that I pulled. So again, this is basically my inspiration for the kit, so floral, and because it's spring. And then I pulled out a couple of 6x6 paper pads that have been used but not used up. So this one's a spring one and has just a lot of the flowers, butterflies, but I really like it for the B side, which is more the solid and the plaid. So that's kind of where I'm going with this. And then I also have this paper. It's Fine and Dandy, Dear Lizzie. It's a very old paper pad, and it has some notes of spring to it too, like the pinks and the peaches, but if anything, I can use the back side of it as my white cardstock if I wanted to do a lot of these kinds of backgrounds. So that's kind of what I'm going, well, what's going through my head when I am pulling these specific materials. So I'm going to just set it aside, and then I also have this embossing powder. I've had this for many years, and it's green, and I figured if I wanted to heat emboss my sentiments instead of using the black or the brown that I normally go to, I'm going to kind of switch it up a bit and use green just because I wanted to use up my stash. And then I have 2 stamps here. This one's an older one that I've had for a while, and it's a mother's theme. It's from Technique Tuesday, and as you can see, it's an Allie Edwards type of stamp because of her handwriting. I love that there's the circular accents, but then they also have the script ones. So also it has a thank you, so I don't have to do a lot of mom cards if I don't want to. I can always use a thank you card. And then this one is one of those stamps that are layered stamps, and so I'm going to try to see if I can create some really nice floral accents with this particular layer stamp. And as any card kit goes, we need cardstock, and so I pulled out 5 8.5 by 11 sheets here. I only picked 5 because these are going to be my card bases. So because I have 5, I cut them in half so I can create my A2 size cards, and then it will be 10 total. I usually go with another extra card for like maybe stamping and like creating my sentiments, but I figured I can use these papers and the back side of, particularly with this Fine and Dandy one, I'm going to use the white side of it as my white base. So that is the plan for today. If you are new to my channel or you would like to see what I create with these cards, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that YouTube will notify you of my next video. The next video that should be up after this will be the cards numbers 1 through 5, and then after that will be 6 through 10. So I hope that you guys like this and that you will join me as I create some cards. And I will see you guys when I see you. Bye.